Chapter number 5, Introduction to M-Commerce. This chapter deals about mobile commerce. In the chapter, we will learn about M-Commerce, which refers to buying and selling of goods and services through the use of internet-enabled wireless devices such as mobile phone, personal digital assistant, smartphone, tablets, and palm phone. This chapter also explains the advantages and limitation of M-commerce. The chapter discusses about the popularity of the mobile application and the location-based commerce application and services play an important role in the future of e-commerce. The chapter will deal with the measure of to be taken for security and legal issues. Also, the various payment options provided in e-commerce are discussed and explained. This will help the student to gain information to safe and secure banking through M-commerce. Let's start. Introduction to M-commerce. Mobile commerce is also known as M-commerce. It refers to buying and selling of goods and services through the use of internet-enabled wireless devices such as mobile phone, personal digital assistant (PDAS), smartphone, tablets, palm phone, or any other mobile devices. M-commerce provides the user with the advantages of flexibility and ubiquity. By using the mobile phone, consumer can conduct business transaction without being fixed at a computer terminal or being physically present at a shop. These devices are carried by the user wherever he or she goes, making it possible to access the internet from any place. It allows real-time transaction while on the move. As the popularity of smartphones and tablets is increasing day by day, more users are moving towards the use of M-commerce. Some of example of M-commerce are purchasing airline tickets, purchasing movie tickets, restaurant booking and reservation, hotel bookings and reservation, stock market analysis. Bank and other financial institutes are increasingly using M-commerce to retain their business. They allow their customers to access account balance, stock quotes, make transactions via mobile phones. This services is also known as mobile banking or M-banking. The stock market services offered via mobile devices is also becoming popular and known as mobile brokerage. News information, sports, entertainment, shopping, and reservation area have also grown with the demand for mobile related services. Benefits of M-commerce. Mobiles are being used more and more on daily basis, and today it is not merely used to make for receive a call. Mobile companies are coming up with new features for their smartphones, which offers consumer care, easy flexibility and security at the same time. The easy of availability and faster speed has made M-commerce more popular nowadays. The web design and development companies have also optimized the website such that it can be viewed correctly on mobile devices. M-commerce is an integration of wireless network access through handheld device and internet. Some of advantages of M-commerce as listed. It provides convenience to the user. It just few clicks on the mobile devices, the user can do shopping, banking and downloaded media files while on the move. Mobile devices enable the user to be connected at virtually anytime and anywhere. Reduce transaction cost. Reduce the time to order The user does not need to be on the PC or laptop or ordered. Streamline business process. Provide global research. Conduct business 24 into 7 hours. Flexibility of accessing the information through any mobile devices. Payment can be done using the mobile devices itself just the same way as it is done on personal computer. Useful to deliver time critical and emergency information. Easily identify the physical location of the handheld devices. The emergency of location-based application enable the user to receive relevant information. Customized alert can be easily received on the mobile devices. Limitation of e-commerce. The handheld devices commonly used today offer a limited screen size. This further limits the type of file and data transfer. At times, it is difficult to display videos. User interface is less convenient when compared to personal computers. Mobile devices have limited computing power, memory, and storage capacity. It operates over wireless networks which are less secure compared to wired network. It offers a limited bandwidth. High cost of establishing mobile and wireless broadband infrastructure. Application of m-commerce. First, mobile marketing and advertising. Today, companies are using m-commerce to expand their services from marketing to advertisement. Mobile advertising is one of the most popular way for companies to reach a large audience. Advertising on internet has become a major source of revenue for most of the portal. Many retailers are offering location-based mobile advertising in order to target consumers and increasing their sales. An advertisement placed on the mobile devices of the user can thus be made on personal requirements and location specific. It can update the user about the various discounts and schemes available in the nearby areas of the current location of the user. Mobile ticketing. User can easily buy tickets for air or railway travel, movies, etc. The ticket can be sent to the user's mobile devices. User can further show these tickets on their mobile devices at the respective place. Tickets can also be easily cancelled on the mobile phones using the application or accessing the portals of travel agents. This helps in reducing the traffic and the parking problem, which are increasing day by day as the user need not travel to place for buying tickets. Mobile auctions. The auction sites are becoming more popular these days. Mobile devices further help in increasing the reach of these auction sites. The user, while on the move, can access this site, make a bid, monitor bids, and take a timely action on the bidding process. Many of the auction sites have built gateways and interfaces to provide access to mobile devices through wireless networks. Mobile purchase. Mobile purchase allow customer to shop online anytime, anywhere. Customers can browse and order product while using a secure payment method. Instead of using paper catalog, retailer can send a list of product that a customer would be interested in directly to their mobile devices. Alternatively, the consumer can also visit a mobile version of a retailer's e-commerce site. The retailers can also track the customers and notify them of discount at local store at the customer would be interested. Mobile entertainment. Mobile devices are used extensively for listening to audio, viewing video, and playing games. The mobile user can subscribe to entertainment libraries where they can search for songs, video, or games and easily download them in their device for playing later. Entertainment service such as pay per download, pay per event, or an subscription base can cater to a large number of mobile users and are willing to pay for the services. Mobile financial services. Today, many popular banks and financial institutions use m-commerce. They allow their customers to access account information, perform transactions like stock, purchase remit, money via mobile phone and other mobile equipments. The customer can download the application from the Android market. Location and search services. The location of the mobile phone user is an important piece of information used during mobile commerce transaction. For example, the consumer waiting to buy a smartphone with a certain price limited and specification would be interested in knowing that in nearest location of the store where he can get the desired product. In such a case, it is important that the location and search services should be able to provide the list of store in the city or nearby areas of the mobile user's current location. Knowing the location of mobile user allow the vendors to provide location-based service such as local map, local offer, local weather, people tracking the and monitoring. Mobile device can also be used to get direction to particular place, movie, theater, restaurant, hospital or other such amenities. Below given is about the location based search known as L-commerce. L-commerce. With more and more wireless handheld devices like PDAs, cellular phone and pockets PCs, there are significant opportunity for the growth of m-commerce. Although mobile commerce enables access to goods and services regardless of the location of buyers or sellers, in many situations the specific location of buyers and sellers is important the transaction. Today, various location-specific applications and services are emerging. This application tracks and uses location in order to deliver a service or products. The use of technologies which provide the location information for business purpose is known as L-commerce. The technology uses the graphical location of the mobile devices to determine which applications are appropriate based on that areas. It enables users to log their locations, track the location of another person and find places such as bank or restaurant. The technology works by using signals from GPS, cellular and Wi-Fi sources. The Global Positioning System (GPS) is most accurate in determining a mobile device's position. It is based on worldwide site tracking system where the GPS signals are generated by a group of satellites that orbit around the Earth. To locate a point, a mobile device will three satellites to create an intersecting points that locates the divide within a 500 meter. This is known as triangulation. If the GPS signal is poor, weak or blocked, the mobile device can use the signals from cell towers and Wi-Fi hotspots. These signals do not broadcast their own location, but smartphone companies use databases that store the location of these sources.